Hi girls, welcome to Miss Tech Channel, where you will discover in each video the top 10 most amazing tech gadgets, inventions, and innovations that women will love. Are you always in the kitchen and cooking up a storm for your family? Well, this is the video for you. We are bringing you the top 10 best kitchen gadgets you absolutely must have. If you love cooking now, you'll love it even more with these amazing kitchen gadgets. Keep watching. Number 10. Weston Veggie Dicer. We really meant it when we said we were bringing you the best kitchen gadgets. Coming in at number 10, we have a very easy to use and helpful little gadget. This Weston Veggie Dicer is the easiest way to make French fries or dice your fruits and vegetables. So when you're making lunches for school or cooking for dinner, you no longer have to hand cut for hours. Just run the fruit or vegetable through the Veggie Dicer and you're good to go. Even better, it's so simple to use. Simply push down on the handle and the pusher will advance the food through the blade. With the Weston Veggie Dicer, your delicious meals will be ready in no time. For only $35, you will have this amazing Veggie Dicer by your side as your new favorite kitchen mate. Number 9. Tescoma Apple Corer Presto. Cutting up apples is one of my least favorite jobs, so I can almost guarantee you don't like it either. You'll always get seeds or the core in your slices, and let's be honest, it isn't exactly delicious. This is why we are bringing you the Tescoma Apple Corer Presto. This sweet little gadget is going to cut out time and your apple core. You no longer have to worry about undesirable pieces of apple. Not only is it good for apples, but it can even do pears or most fruit with a core. It is made with high quality and high grade stainless steel resistant plastic and a handle specifically designed for placement and your comfort and convenience. Imagine how much easier it would now be to make apple pies. You won't regret buying this awesome Tescoma Apple Corer Presto. Get one now. Number 8. Dash Masha 2X. Do you love mashed potatoes? Because we sure do. Introducing the amazing Dash Masha electric food masher. This handy little gadget is going to help you make delicious mashed potatoes in only minutes. But here is where it gets even better. Not only is it great for mashed potato, but it is good for so much more. The Dash Masha will help you make the most delicious, fluffiest, and smoothest purees, baby food, hummus, guacamole, dips, soups, cake mixes, applesauce, mashed vegetables, and so much more. The patented rotator cone technology design ensures a perfect creamy texture every single time. Delicious food made easy? Yes, please. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and had the best mashed potatoes ever? Well, now you can make and eat the same quality of mash right in the comfort of your own home. Don't wait. Head to the page right now and purchase one of these amazing Dash Masha's 2X electric food masher. Number 7. Metaltex Apple Peeler and Cutter. Skin, slice, and core apples and veggies to fast-track your baking. This Metaltex Apple Peeler and Cutter is ideal for taking the effort out of preparing apples for pies, crumbles, and tarts. It also just makes a fun spiral-shaped apple for you and your kids to enjoy. Do you have a picky kid? Well, now you can convince him or her to eat their fruits and veggies by cutting them with this cutter and peeler to make a cool spiral shape. This amazing gadget will make life so much easier with all its amazing design features. With its great suction feet, you will never have to worry about it slipping and sliding all over the bench or slipping off and falling on your feet. It will suction to the bench and stay put. The peeler and corer would match well with the Dash Masha as it also peels potatoes. Priced at only $20, this product will be flying out the door. Get one now. Number 6. Skewer Maker. Everyone loves succulent and delicious skewers of meat, fruits, or vegetables, and you will be the favorite host of your friends and family with this Skewer Maker gadget. You can enjoy perfect cuts, combined in endless ways to please the pickiest eaters. Making kebabs or fruit skewers, cutting them one by one is time-consuming, messy, and sometimes dangerous. This is why we are bringing you this smart Skewer Maker, which takes the hassle out of creating scrumptious skewers, with the prep being easy and complete in just minutes. It's made of ABS material, safe and durable. Simply add the layers into the box, insert the skewers, and slice into the openings. You can use it for outdoor family gatherings, barbecues, or any indoor occasion. You will just adore this fantastic gadget that will help you make skewers in only minutes, and your guests will be blown away. Number 5. Metaltex Multi-Grater and Slicer. Coming in at number 5, we have the Metaltex Multi-Grater and Slicer. This multi-purpose grater and slicer is designed with comfort and safety in mind. It is simple and easy to use. Every single chef needs one. It comes with 5 different blades and is fitted with a finger guard to ensure safe usage and no missing fingers. The push button and handle offer comfort and safety. It comes with a set of 5 blades for cutting, grating, thinly slicing, and cutting out. All blades are conveniently stored within the mandolin. The Metaltex Multi-Grater and Slicer is one of the finest slicers you will find, and it is for sale at only $15. It's so convenient that you will not find a better deal anywhere else. Get one now. Number 4. Zyliss Control Chef's Knife. The Zyliss Control Knife, measuring 16.5 centimeters, is one of the best knives on the market right now and has been successful worldwide. It is a great little gadget that any aspiring chef or passionate baker will adore. Manufactured from German steel, one of the highest quality, durable, sharper for longer steels in the world, the super sharp-edged blades of the Zyliss Control knives slide effortlessly through root vegetables, potatoes, meat, and other foods. The thumb indents on the knife handle are strategically positioned for effortless control and precision. The ergonomically contoured handle on the Zyliss Control knives sits securely in your hand, while the non-slip grip ensures safety and comfort throughout. It is antibacterial coated and has a 25-year guarantee. The Zyliss knife will be an absolute asset in any kitchen. Number 3. Easy Egg Cracker. The Easy Egg Cracker is truly one of a kind. With one simple motion, you can crack eggs without getting your hands sticky and dirty. It has an egg separator attachment, so you can separate the egg whites and egg yolks for healthy omelets and easy baking. When a recipe just calls for egg whites or egg yolks, you can separate them with ease without having to use a separate bowl. Crack eggs, separate egg whites, and strip shells in seconds with no mess and no fuss. Simply insert the egg into the cradle and squeeze firmly to instantly crack and release the egg from its shell. With Easy Cracker, the shell is always left behind. You never have to worry about dropping shells. Use the egg white separator attachment for perfect egg white omelets and delicious meringues for pies. Easy Egg Cracker is the revolutionary tool in every kitchen. For only $30, you can have this sweet little gadget in your kitchen. Number 2. Muzili Electric Coffee Grinder. Number 2 is the Muzili Electric Coffee Grinder. If you're like me, you can't survive a day without your beloved coffee, so any coffee gadget is going to be at the top of your list. Simply pour your coffee beans into this electric grinder and press the button to get beautiful, rich coffee ground right into the cup at the bottom. This amazing coffee grinder is made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel with a 200-watt powerful motor, a wire slot at the bottom for easy storage, and 50-milliliter capacity for about 12 cups of coffee at a time. It has an elegant design and makes very little noise. It is easily durable and incredibly easy to use. This bean grinder is perfect for grinding more than coffee, such as spices, herbs, pepper, or other food ingredients. At $30, you can have coffee shop quality coffee every day with no effort. This gadget has an excellent rating of 4.5 on Amazon, and you'll definitely need one of them in your kitchen. Number 1. Chopbox. We have a very special gadget for you at number 1. The Chopbox is the world's first smart cutting board with 10 features. Are you intrigued yet? Well, keep watching. The Chopbox features so many amazing features that it almost is shocking. It weighs your food, is sustainable, has replaceable parts, is super easy to clean, and so much more. It's made from 100% organic bamboo, has a fantastic dual board design, 2 knife sharpeners, a digital scale and timer, UVC light to kill germs, long-lasting battery for up to 30 days, a groove for catching juices, quick charging, and it's even waterproof. It doesn't get better than this. Instead of needing up to 5 single-use gadgets and tools in your kitchen, The Chopbox combines all 5 into one amazing cutting board. You'll never need to store smaller single-use tools like a food scale or kitchen timer again, and will have more room for storage in your kitchen. Right now, you can get the early bird offer on Kickstarter at the amazing price of $99. Please let us know in the comments section which items you liked most, and are you going to get them for your kitchen? If you like our content, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!